Hello and welcome to this R tutorial. In the following tutorials we will be implementing multiple linear regression in R, and right now, as usual, we are going to start with the basics, which is to set our folder as working directory. So right now I'm on my desktop. I'm going to my machine learning AZ folder, then part 2 regression, and then we want to go to multiple linear regression, and here is the folder. Make sure that you have the 50startups.csv file, and if that's the case, you're ready to click on this More button here to set the folder as working directory. Alright, now let's start with step 1, which is to prepare the data to make our multiple linear regression ready to be built. So as usual, we're going to use our template, the data preprocessing template that we made in part 1, and we're just going to copy this, copy, and paste it here. Alright. And now let's take care of the few things to change. So first we will change the name of the dataset, which is here 50 startups. Alright, 50startups.csv. We can select this and execute to have a look at our dataset. Here it is, and that's the dataset. I'll remind what this dataset is about. So this contains informations of startups, actually 50 startups, and these informations are some amount of money spent. So for example, there's the amount spent in R&D, administration, marketing, and finally there is also the state in which the startup operates. And finally we have a last column here, which is the profit, and that's the profit we want to predict with our multiple linear regression models. And we want to predict that profit based on this independent variables, which are the R&D spend, the administration, marketing spend, and the state. So we are doing this because we are doing a mission for investors who want to know in which startup they should invest their money. And so not only they want to predict the future profits for new startups based on the same informations, but also they want to see which independent variable has the highest effect on the profit and which one governs the relationship between the profit and those independent variables. Is there an independent variable that has a highest effect than another one? Does the state in which the startup operates have an impact on the profit? We'll find that out thanks to our multiple linear regression model in R, and thanks to this model, the investors will be able to draw some insights from our results. Okay, so now the next sub-step of the first step data preprocessing is to split the dataset into the training set and the test set. But is it the sub-step we need to do right now? I know that the template is suggesting that, but let's not forget that in our dataset we have one specific variable which should strike our attention. Well, it's this one, it's the state variable, because it contains categories, which means it's a categorical variable. And remember, when we have a categorical variable like this, with categories written in text, this would cause some issues in our machine learning model equations. Because how do you want to make a linear equation with one of the variable written as text? It wouldn't make any sense. So what we're going to do, of course, is to encode the state variable. And to do this, we are going to use what we learned in part 1 data preprocessing. Only we didn't include that in the template because this will actually be one of the only examples where we'll need to encode our categorical data. We put it in a separate file, and so right now we're going to open this separate file.